All right, so now let's continue with ordering our data set or sorting. Okay. So based on the variables we are interested in, we can sort the data frame. How can we do that? We will start with flights. I am not able to write correctly. Okay, flights, type, and then this arrange function can be used to sort the data frame using dplyr. Okay, so for example, I am interested in this departure delay column. I want my data frame to be sorted by departure delay. If I run this, what you see here is the departure delay. So it sorts from, in an ascending order, meaning from smaller values will show up first. So apparently in the flights, there happen to be also, negative delays. That means basically the flight took earlier than scheduled. I do hope that they did allow, that they did let people know about this with sufficient time so that it wasn't a surprise for them at the last minute, right? Otherwise, many people would basically miss their flights if it were to happen out of the blue. But yeah, that's another consideration. So departure delay and then ascending order is being sorted now. If you wanted the other way around, so maybe actually it would be more interesting to see the larger departure delays happening, not the smaller ones. What we can do is we can come here and we can put this in front of that departure delay for descending, in short DESC. I run this one now. Now it will be in a descending order, meaning it will start with the largest value first, and then as you can see, it will decrease. So this is the descending order. So apparently there was a flight with 1300 minutes delay, which is quite a lot. So the easier way to do this is actually, rather than descending, writing it like this, you can just put a minus there as well. So that should work too. So let's put this minus. So basically, minus in this case means, do it the other way around. Run this one, as you can see, the same thing. We'll got the same thing, right? So another thing we can do with sorting is, rather than a single column like this, let's say we want to see, we want to first order by one column, and then if there are any values in that column which are equal to each other and hence end up in a tie, we can we want R to use another column at those situations to do the ordering. So basically, the second column will only be used when there's a tie in the first column while ordering, right? For example, I will take this flights departure delay. So I want first I want R to first order it by the departure delay, let's say in a descending order. And if there's any tie in this one, let's use arrival delay. Because the data is quite large, it will be hard to find maybe a suitable example here, but let's run this. Okay, so again, first it will look at departure delay, and if there's a tie, it will look at arrival delay, which is this column. So let's check. Every value is different here in the first 10 rows. Okay, that's good. So we have an example right in front of us. 853 minutes delay, departure delay for 3 flights. Now, in these circumstances, as I said, it will go and check arrival delay. It will make the ordering by using this second column here, the arrival delay column. So 852, 51, and then 834, right? So that's good. That's what we wanted. So now it used arrival delay to do that ordering. And then it will go back basically to departure delay and continue from there. So in a nutshell, it will first order the whole data set based on departure delay. And then only for those rows, like these ones, it will try to sort them out by using the second column as input we use. So in this case, we used the arrival delay in a descending order. So sorry, correct, in a descending order. So that's how this happened. Now, if there was also a tie here, right, and that can happen, then basically if we were to use another input, it will go and use that column the third column to order the dataset. That's how the range works.